ng New Year. Ang galing ng 2023. Huh? Hello and welcome to Gom at Home. Today we're preparing grilled shrimps. Yan, no? Nagpapabagan ako ng kahoy natin. I'm using mango wood chips, no? Wood blocks. Tapos meron tayong mga malaking shrimps, no? Ganun lang, simple lang. We'll just take out the head and then we'll shell it out. Yan. Tagalin mo siya na ganun. May iwal lang dito, yung ikog lang. Ikog is the tail, no? And then madali lang tong linisin. Let's get a knife. Dito may itong baname ito na malaki. Baname shrimp, so kita nyo malaki talaga malaki talaga yung vein niya dito sa likod, yung intestines nila, yan, no? So we will devein it. Yan lang. Yan, hilahin mo lang siya na ganun. Tatanggal na yan. So once malinis natin yung shrimps natin, what we'll do is we'll make a mixture para yun yung pang-coating natin sa shrimps, no? So of course paprika for that smoky flavor. Nilalagyan natin ng crushed pepper para manghang, sarap. Okay, yun, powdered garlic there, a little of oregano. Yan ng pepper. Some pepper here. Okay. Yun. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, there you go. And then some salt. A little more. Sagol. Ihalo natin siya. Yun lang. Just to mix up all the dry ingredients, no? Yun lang. Lagyan ko siya ng konting olive oil. A little olive oil here. Para kumapit yung medium natin. Para kumapit yung yung rub natin. Para siyang dry rub. And then a little balsamic vinegar. Just a little. It's for additional flavor. Okay. And then I'll just drop it here. Dun sa mixture natin. Yun lang. That easy. Then ihalo natin yung shrimp. See that? Wow. All the flavors nandun na. Habang nandyan siya, ayusin namin to. Pag spread out mo to, sandali lang to. Mabilis lang to lutuin. In less than 2 minutes, luto na yung barbecued shrimp mo. Oh, habang nagmamarinate siya dyan, gagawin natin, lagyan na siya ng pepper. Okay? So what you want to do is tanggalin mo lang yung seeds. That's it, ganoon lang siya. And then ito, pag skewer mo, igagano mo lang siya. Tak, tiklop mo na siya, bababali yan. That's it, yan. Pasok mo na yung skewer. Okay? Okay. Let's put a little olive oil. Sprinkle a little salt. Yun na. Then little pepper. Yun. Halo-halo lang to. Halo lang ng halo. Yan, parsley. Yan, pino putol. Pino. Okay. Yan. Pino. Then, lagyan natin dito sa shape natin. Nice. Hindi, mag-save tayo ng konti para sa topping natin. So, after marinating for a few minutes with the parsley, mix lang ulit para mas magsago lang siya. Okay? And then, i-ready natin yun, yung barbecue sticks natin na binabad sa tubig. Kasi Kasi iihawin natin siya. So ayaw mo naman na masunog yung steaks mo. So ito, nakababad to. Kanina pa. Alright? Kunin mo yung shrimp. And then, ganun lang. Diretso lang. Nice. Tapos ito, like what I said, i-fold mo lang na ganun. And then, saksak mo na siya. Ganun lang. And, again, one more. Yes. And, one more. Ganun lang. Oh, ganun lang kadali. That's it. So while we're doing this, yung natin, yung grill natin, ano siya, nung sinimulan natin siya, malakas yung apoy, di ba? By the time na matapos na dito, ano yung nagbabaga na yan, maganda na yung apoy niyan, maganda na init niya. Because this one will cook and put it about, siguro, a minute, matagal na yung a minute and a half on one side. Ganoon lang sa kabila. Kasi shrimp, talaga mabilis maluto. Kung ayaw mong overcook yung shrimp dahil titigas. But I really hope that everyone will have a wonderful 2023. We're ready to grill. Bilis lang to. Init. One minute and a half, tama lang yung ano niya, tama lang yung init niya, hindi siya nag-aapoy. So maganda evenly cooking yung cooking sa ano, sa shrimp natin. May kita mo pag hinawakan mo siya dito, may feel mo siya, oh. Yan, hindi na siya fleshy. That means it's cooked already. Nice. Beautiful. Ganda, oh. Looks good. Grilled shrimps for the new year. So let's try this. Siyempre, yung veggie muna. Oh. Hop. Yan, shrimp. Puro lang ako. Kung masarap, ganun eh. Kinasapot lemon on top. Ang sarap ng New Year. Ang galing ng 2023. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. These are wonderful grilled shrimps. Do this in your own kitchen. Share it with your friends. Enjoy it with your family. Wow. Again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll see you again right here in Goma at Home. Bye.